Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Hytale game on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. Now before performing the steps, let me clear you that you have to purchase the Hytale game. Only then you can download and install the game on your PC. So here follow the steps. So open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for Hytale and then you will see hytale.com website appearing in the search result. So click on the download option. And then here you can see download for Windows. So click on download for Windows. It will download the Hytale launcher. So click on Hytale launcher exe file to first of all install it. Click yes to allow. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. And just wait. Click on next. And then click on finish. Now wait. It will launch the Hytale launcher. Now you have to sign in to your account. So click on sign in. It will open the web browser. Now if you don't have account, then click on register here and then register your account. And if you have already registered your account, then simply sign in by entering your email ID and password. Please wait. You can see that authentication has been successfully and I have been logged in successfully. So you have to log in to your Hytale launcher. So basically you have to log into your account, and when you open the Hytale launcher, click on this accept button, and now you can see install option. But if you have not purchased the game, then you will not see the install option. You will get the error that you have to purchase the game. So if you have already purchased the game, then you have to click on install button. So to purchase the game, you can also go to this Hytale website and then click on purchase, and then you can select the version, standard version, supporter version or curse breaker version. So these are the edition. The standard edition will cost you $11.34, supporter edition will cost you $19.86, and curse breaker edition will cost you $39.71. So as per your requirement, you can purchase the game. Only then you can get this install button. So finally click on install button. Please wait, it is installing. It is downloading Java. It is downloading the patch. Please wait. Please wait. It is applying the patch. Finally, you can see the game has been installed on my PC and you will get this play button. So you can click on this play button to play the Hytale game on your PC. So by this way, you can easily download and install Hytale game on your PC. So that's all for this video.